Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know exactly what time it is. We're going to be talking about everything Hbar, understanding what's happening, and of course what we could be expecting as far as the price is concerned. So, we are approaching the weekend. On the weekends, more manipulation than usual as CME futures are closed. And, as far as manipulation is concerned, guys, we are seeing markets being manipulated quite heavily over the last 1 month, to be exact. So, as far as the crypto summit goes, I think it was underwhelming because, of course, the fact that, a lot of people were anticipating that, we're going to see a lot of excitement coming about, but it wasn't as exciting as, a lot of people were anticipating. Of course, the crypto summit itself was a big deal. There's no doubts about that. But as far as, other digital assets were concerned to be added to, the crypto reserve. And again, it's not a crypto strategic reserve. It's a Bitcoin strategic reserve. The other coins are part of a stockpile, but still, no conversations were in regards to other coins being added as of now. But Hbar down 6%. Of course, the entire market seeing a retracement, sell the news event taking place. And of course, it did not live as to, the hype itself, which of course is also the reason why you're actually seeing the market kind of correct itself. But Hbar's price 23.17 cents, down 4% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap below 10 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at about $550 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So I'm going to start off by taking a look at, the Bitcoin dominance with you guys. As far as the dominance is concerned, even though, we did see a little bit of a downside from the 61.35%, in a grand scheme of things, dominance is still holding quite steady around this range. BTC, on the other hand, is showing a lot of volatility over the last few days. And you can see this for yourself. We're finding finding ourselves back around this 86.2K mark. Obviously, going into the weekend, the chances of us, if we don't hold around the support, the chances of us falling down to 82.8 is still on the table. And of course, if that happens, obviously that is going to have an impact on the broader altcoin market as well. But let's analyze and take a look at, what's really happening with Hbar's price right now. So of course, the fact that it wasn't a part of the stockpile, it doesn't, we shouldn't really be neglecting all the other things that are going on for Hbar itself. There's so much happening for Hbar. Of course, it would be amazing to see an ETF, and we actually heard some ETF announcement regarding Hbar by the SEC. I think they acknowledged Canary Capital, if I'm not mistaken, but it was regarding an Hbar ETF. So you're still getting ETF filings from some of these firms, and the demand factor is definitely there. And in terms of the real world use case, it's definitely there. Nothing has changed in terms of that. Obviously, people want to hear whether or not the U.S. based projects are going to get the tax exemption in terms of no capital gain tax. Again, nothing is confirmed as of now, and it's still up in the air in terms of as a rumor. So of course, we need to keep it as a rumor itself. But with that said, you're still seeing the price of Hbar sitting within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. But let's take a look at Hbar's price on the hourly time frame. So let's give it a refresh live. Go on the hourly time frame, and here we have it. So we're actually ranging right now within the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which again, in my opinion, is beautiful to see. You could see this for yourself. We're bouncing back and forth within this level. Again, not bad. Obviously, better than being at the 78.6 fib zone. But as of now, we're actually seeing some resistance coming in our way around the 25 cents. That's a level that we've retested a few times, and we find a little bit of a rejection at that range. But of course, that is a major level of resistance because there's significant amount of resistance at that range. My overall, targets and analysis confirmation, whatever you want to call it, has not changed. I still want the price of Hbar back above this key resistance. And it's simple as that. Obviously, right now, the market fluctuation is going to have an impact on Hbar. Hbar is no exception. Obviously, we're entering the weekend. It's going to be very interesting to see how that reacts. You really want to see the price of Hbar holding within, the 61.8. That is something that I would love to see. And as far as the strength itself goes, it's actually holding much better than a lot of people are anticipating. You can see this for yourself from February 25th, wick down to 17.7 cents. you did see an increase of about 62% just, topping out on March 2nd. So, of course, a little bit of a healthy correction. And in terms of healthy correction, we cannot neglect what's happening with BTC, and that correlation does have an impact on Hbar. We're going to take it one step at a time right now. In terms of the bullish confirmation, you really want to see that close back above that key resistance at 27 cents. Let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal price predictions on Hbar? In the next 6 to 12 months, and of course in the next 5 to 10 years. Do let me know in the comments. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.